Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world. This is the Boss Couple 22, and today we're still live and direct
from Milan Central, but today we're going to be going to Verona, which is the fictional place where Romeo and Juliet lived. So we're really excited about this.
So walk with us. Let's see how it goes down. Let's see if we can throw down our hair. Or is that
No,
gold
that's
blocks?
Rapunzel.
Oh, Rapunzel. All right, whatever. Walk with us. Let's see what it's all about. Leia.
So now we found an underpass which takes you to Milan Central Station, then you don't have to cross the road.
Today there's a rail strike or a transport strike, which is quite often happening here in Italy. From 9 until 9 is strike time.
So we've been told that as long as we get back before 9 p.m. then we're okay. If you're midway on a train, then they just stop and you're stranded in the middle of who knows where. What a beautiful station.
Yes, guys. So we've made it here to Verona. Right now we're in front of the Fontana, the Piazza, the bar. So it's really nice here. It's a nice little park. Clean, fresh. Looking good like my wife does.
And right ahead of us is the Verona Arena. Unfortunately, it's closed to be refurbished, so we can't go in there today. Very upset and disappointed, but we'll show you a little bit from the outside what we can see.
So here we are at the famous Verona Arena, which was another entertainment place for the Romans.
Which was built in 30 AD.
This guy's serious.
It's amazing, look at the detail. I'm sure it's older than the Colosseum in Rome.
Yeah, I think it is. As far as I know, it was built as a practice for Rome. It's under construction at the moment, guys, but think you can see where we're going with this.
The city of Verona is rich of Roman antiquities. The city is also known as Little Rome. Nevertheless, it is mostly famous
as the setting of the love story Romeo and Juliet. There are signs directing you to Juliet's famous balcony.
We always like to visit the churches and give thanks, make a donation, light a candle for our fallen forefathers and ancestors, and just spend a moment in this space. Whilst on our quest, we were discussing how beautiful it would be to visit Verona again. Hopefully not when the strike was on. We loved it. Everywhere we looked, there was someone just enjoying some wine, some food, socializing, enjoying the outdoors.
Good boy, Daniel.
So this is Casa de Julieta.
This is where Juliet lived.
Let me in, let me in.
I love these.
Getting close to Christmas, so good time to visit the market on Saturday. This is the view of the Adige River, which is the second longest river in Italy. We're walking across the Ponte Pietra, which is Italian for stone bridge. It was a Roman arch bridge crossing the Adige River and was completed in 100 BC. Well, as we said before, guys, time is of the essence. We're on borrowed time, so we've done our bit. Hope you enjoyed it. Watch more of the Italian experience. This is the Moscow 22, and for now, we're saying, see you on the next one. Stay safe, stay good.